Welcome to another GED Express screencast with me, Teacher Marco, here at Phuket PALS. And today we will talk about the part 2 of the RLA test, which is the extended response or the essay part. And I will help you with a skill that you will need in order to write your essay properly, which is assessing the claim. Now, the claim is the main point or the arguments presented by the sources. Usually on your GED RLA test, it will be structured where you will find two sources with two different point of views regarding a certain topic. Now, this skill that I will be teaching now is for you to check the claim of a particular source. What are the things that you should check for that particular source or for that particular article? So first, you have to check the claim. Is it debatable? Is it realistic? Is the focus narrow enough for the writing required? Does it establish the argument? Is it valid? Always check the claim of the sources. Okay, so for example, an example of a claim is eating vegetables is something that young teenagers should start having as a habit. Okay, while maybe the opposite claim will say that eating vegetable is doing more harm rather than helping animals or something like that. So is that claim debatable? Is the focus narrow enough for the writing required? Will you be able to explain that? The next one that you will check on a particular source is the evidence. Does it support the claim? Okay, or does it include facts or statistics? Or is it just composed of personal opinion? Is it based on an expert or the writer's personal opinion? Does it include examples? These are the things that you should include in your essay. You can state on your essay that the evidence presented by the writer of this source does not support his claim. Or maybe you can say that most of the evidence presented by the first source includes a lot of facts or statistics, which makes his argument more compelling. So that's why I am teaching you this, for you to be able to provide the necessary information on your essay. Okay, again, it's not your opinion, or if you agree with what the writer said, it's not asking that. Usually your prompt will ask you to evaluate or analyze both claims. All right, and these are the things that you should include on your essay. Another is to check the warrant. Does it explain the pieces of evidence, or was it just plainly stated there without proper explanation? Of course, the stronger article or the stronger source would have an evidence well explained. Does it connect evidence to the claim? Is it reasonable? Does it make assumptions? Is it logical or even relevant? Okay, and of course, this is all based on how you analyze a particular source. The counterclaim. Does the writer include information that disagrees with the original claim? Is it reasonable? What is the evidence that supports the counterclaim? there are some situations where the second source will address a particular claim from the first source. And if so, these are your criteria. And these are the things that you should mention on your essay. These are the things that you should explain. And lastly, the rebuttal. Does it explain why the counterclaim does not work? Or what is the evidence used to support the rebuttal? So the rebuttal is like a counterclaim to what the other source is saying. So see it as similar as the counterclaim. Okay. So these information or these bullet points that I've shared to you, these are the things that your essay should contain. It does not have to contain if you agree with this source or if you agree with the writer. Okay? Your job is to assess and to analyze, and these should be your guide. I hope that I was able to help you today and enlighten you on your GED RLA extended response part. If you want to know more about us, please check out our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Phuket PALS, or you can also check our website. That's phuketpals.org. Thank you so much for your time, and see you on your next video. See you on our next video. Bye bye.